Morning folks, 6th October, Sunday morning, coming to you after the last video we made last week. It's been a challenging week and it's going to be a challenging week from Monday, tomorrow, 7th October. So we talk options here, basically options trading in the Indian market. I just share what I do on a weekly basis to my position. So if you're interested, subscribe to this channel, Stocks Options Insight in YouTube, and share your comments. If there are any of you who would like to talk about options, discuss options in any market, I'm keen to hear and speak. Coming to the Indian market, it was 26th September, Thursday. It was 26,200, and everybody was wondering how will the market come down? How can it even come down? It was just a one-way momentum up. We'll see the charts now in this video, and everything changed all of a sudden. The Friday 27th September, everything changed, and changed to an extent that the market fell 2.5%. And 2.5% fall in an index for option sellers is something very, very bad. It's against the option sellers. So we will have days like these through the year, and we have to either try and adjust or take it in our chin and book the loss. And then we even had a holiday for October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti midweek, so it was only a 4 days week. But both the Bank Nifty and the Nifty had a one-way down move throughout. So it did not help as option sellers. I had to book loss in the Nifty position. We just opened on the 27th September, so Monday it fell 2.5%, so there was no way that we could protect that. So that was a loss booked, and we've taken some more positions we'll discuss. But what is being attributed to all this? This geopolitical tension, Iran-Israel war, that's heightened. Suddenly, China went up by the best 25-27%, unheard of. If you had spoken around the 20th of September about China, nobody would have turned a ear, but it's gone up 27% in the last 10 days. So there's talk of India money being moved to China. There's the domestic elections that the results are going to come out this coming week. The only positive was the jobs report in the US, which said, US wouldn't go into a recession, even though Fed has cut the rate, and the jobs report was pretty good. But negative side, everything has been negative for this week. FII selling, the foreign institutions, investors selling in India was 50,000 crores in a space of 5 days. So that's huge selling, and they've sold in the main scripts like Reliance and HDFC Bank, ICICI, Axis. So these are the ones that are liquid shares, and so they've sold them all. So it's been a very, very challenging week gone by. And we have the RBI monetary policy, the election results in India, the CPI, PPI reading, the inflation reading coming out of the US market on Wednesday, Fed. So next week is also going to be very, very challenging. So we must almost close our positions maximum on Monday and Tuesday. Just sit through this whole couple of weeks for the market to stabilize, and then get into these positions again. So we'll look at the charts, see what's happening, and probably I'll explain it a little bit, what losses we took, and how we are placed for the next coming week. Okay, see you with the charts then. Moving on to the charts, let's look at the charts, what happened to our positions. So this is the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I said 26th September. 26th September it was The high was 54,379, and yesterday, Friday, it closed at 51,500. So that's a loss of around 3,000 points within a space of 4 or 5 days. Nifty again, if you see here, 26th September, 27th also, I think 27th also, it was 26,271. That's the high of Nifty, all-time high of Nifty. And from there on, what happened, it was the 27th, even on the 27th, after hitting a high of 26,271, it closed at 26,197, right? That was okay. But if you just see here the next day, which is the Monday, 30th of September, it dropped 153 points in the open, and it's a one-way down move here until Monday. Tuesday was a little bit better. It was a false stabilization, and then there we go. Thursday again, 195 points drop at the open, and Friday was the real bad one. Friday it opened 265 points down, or rather in between the day, I think Friday. Yeah, it opened okay. It opened okay, went up, and then fell 265 points within a space of 15 minutes. So this kind of fall for the index is really bad for an option seller, and that really affected the positions that we had. So going on to the India VIX, before we go to the positions, the India VIX has shot up. So 27th February, 27th September, it closed at what, 12, and now it's at 14. So that's gone up as well. And so let's go and look at our position. So this position, the bank Nifty is still open, so it's minus. We had to do so many adjustments for this, as you can see here. All the closed positions here have been adjustments right here, and we have a loss at around minus 26, and it's right at the edge. So Monday morning, tomorrow, even if it slightly opens down, we have to book a loss and come out of this. We can't take any more risks with this position. So tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and watch the opening of the index, how it goes. But even if it slightly goes up, we will be a little bit better in our position. But with so many events happening this coming week, it's better to, if bank Nifty goes up a little bit, then tomorrow we can cut the losses and come out of this position. So bank Nifty definitely needs closing tomorrow. This Nifty position that we opened on the 27th September, created at the 1st October, is it? Yeah, 1st October. So even the second day, it just went bad. So 27th September, I opened in Angel 1, but I created this position here in Opstra on the 1st. So it's minus 65, but we closed the position on Tuesday or Thursday, and we came out with minus 30k loss in this. So that's already closed. The one position that we might have some hope here for this week is this one, which was opened again, the Nifty position. This is a strangle, so it's like a length position. But even here tomorrow, if Nifty opens down, we are in a bit of trouble, and we might have to just come out. So interesting morning tomorrow to watch out. But if it even goes up by 100 points up, we'll be quite covered. So it all really depends on how the market opens tomorrow and treats the whole situation, both geopolitically, foreign investors selling, domestic elections, Haryana and Jammu Kashmir election results coming out on Tuesday, exit polls is out. So there are a lot of things happening simultaneously, and it's definitely not a good time for an option seller. Okay, a lot of volatility. So I'll see you next week. Let's continue with this. Do share, like, and subscribe to this channel. If you guys like it, share it and leave a comment when you if you with your thoughts, so that I can understand your feedback as well. Thank you.